Hi, Ruffles. Happy, huh? Happy bird. Hi, BJ. There are easier ways of doing that, though. Yay, BJ, she figured it out. Hurrah for BJ. You like that? That did not last long, huh? Whoa, look at BJ go into that. Whoa, BJ. Johnny, do you want one today? You want that? You want this? You don't have to have it. It's a toy. It's a toy for Johnny. Are you trying to grab me? Are you trying to grab me? Who's doing that? Who's doing that? You want another one, huh? You know what?